Good evening guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone is doing good. So Nifty in 5 minutes, what happened today? Slight gap down, we have opened later. We have seen a very good short covering stop as well in the second half also. There was a very good fight between call writers and call buyers today. So finally the call buyers have won because the volume was huge. So Nifty has closed with 187 points positive, whereas Bank Nifty was not that good. Still, it has given a very good positive closing of 223 points. Let's check what the big play have planned for the coming week. So we'll follow by FII. In future index, they were having 81% long, 19% short by yesterday. So today, no changes, still holding 81% long and 19% short. In option index at call side, they were having 3.27 lakhs of call buying. So today they have unbundled 91,000 contract in profit, still holding 2.35 lakh contract of call buying. At put side, they were having 2.22 lakhs of put buying. Now most of the contract they have unwinded 1.45 lakhs. Now they have 77,000 of put buying. Here they are very much bullish in option index, whereas they are super bullish in future index. And they have purchased in cash market. They purchased for 5,483 crores. So option buying versus selling, they have 58% call buying, 42% call writing, 52% put buying and 48% put writing. So they are super bullish now. Client are known as retailers. In future index, they were having 37% long, 63% short. So today they have unwinded 2% long, increased 2% short. So they have 35% long, 65% short. In option index, at call side, they were having 6.61 lakhs of call writing position. They have unwinded 1.44 lakh contract in loss today. Now still holding 5.17 lakhs of call writing contract. At put, they were having 6.62 lakhs of put writing contract. They have unwinded 2.62 lakh contract in profit, still holding 3.99 lakhs of put writing contract. Here they are still negative only. In future index also they are super negative. In cash market also they are negative. They have sold for 655 crores. So option buying versus selling, they have 46% call buying, 54% call writing, 48% put buying, 52% put writing. So proprietor desk in future index, they have 33% long, 67% short. So today they have increased 1% long, reduced 1% short. They have 34% long, 66% short. Option index at call, they were having 3.32 lakhs of call buying contract. Today they have unwinded 53,000 contract in profit, still holding 2.79 lakhs of call buying. At put, they were having 44,000 of put buying by yesterday. Today they have made a fresh put writing contract of 53,000 contract. So there are very much positive in options, but they are negative in futures. They have hedged their F&O positions, and in cash market they have purchased for 665 crores. Option buying versus selling, they have 55% call buying, 45% call writing, 49% put buying, 51% put writing. Now let's check change in OI Nifty for next week expiry, that will be on 25th July. So we have seen a huge number of put writing from 24,500 to 24,800, and no one is daring for the call writing. This all are call buying only. If you see, most of the contracts are call buying only. Call writers were there at these levels 24,200 to 24,400. So they have short covered today. So no one is daring for call writing now. And put writing also we have seen. So super bullish for next week. Nifty. So Bank Nifty 24th July expiry. So here also we have seen good number of put writing addition from 52,500 to 52,700, but we have a good number of call writing also. So the resistance will be 53,000. If 53,000 is broken with good volume, then we can see upside movement. Until the Bank Nifty will be consolidating only. Now let's check the technical analysis. Nifty in 1 day time frame, we have seen a huge Marubozu kind of a candle. So bullish engulfing pattern we can see here. So it is super bullish. No need to short Nifty now. Whenever we are getting a downside, we can still think of going long only, but we will not short Nifty. So Bank Nifty in 1 day time frame. So it is just consolidating in a small range. This is a small range for bank nifty. So if 52,600 levels are broken, then only we can see some of the upside movement. Until we can see bank nifty stuck in this range, or else 52,000 range is broken, then we can see a downside. So bank nifty is nothing to do, wait and watch, whereas nifty is bullish. So that's it for today guys. Hope you like my analysis. So please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.